Hello everyone, my name is Alex. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to launch my Ethereum AI crypto trading bot, a tool I use to automate trading on DEX exchanges. This crypto bot is a powerful tool for analyzing market data. It operates based on blockchain data and uses machine learning powered by an OpenAI ChatGPT model adapted for multi-user functionality. The bot executes trades on DEX exchanges in real time, reacting instantly to emerging opportunities. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the bot tracks opportunities using 3 algorithms, which I will explain later, and acts on them quickly. The likelihood of an unsuccessful trade depends on many factors, but the system aims to minimize risk through speed and analysis. The crypto trading bot takes into account transaction speed and fees, market dynamics, liquidity, and more. This allows it to avoid unfavorable scenarios and highlight potentially profitable ones. Speed is truly a key factor in risk management. No human trader can manually analyze the market at this scale. The bot offers flexible configuration options suitable for different trading approaches. I'll explain each of them in detail and share my personal trading strategy that I use in practice. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the MetaMask extension installed and that you're connected to the Ethereum network. In theory, other Web3 wallets will also work, but I've personally tested only with MetaMask. The installation link is in the video description. Now go to the CodePen platform. The link is also in the description. It's a quick and simple way to jointly run both the interface and server logic. Click Start Coding on the left. I've slightly modified the interface to simplify interaction with the crypto trading bot. Here is the complete code, including both front-end and back-end. No additional setup is needed. Everything is ready to use. This project is open source, so feel free to explore it. Just paste the code into the HTML section. If your page has a different structure, split the code according to your layout. Next steps are simple. Click Connect. A MetaMask window will open. Confirm the connection. After that, you'll see the bot interface. Expected returns may vary. They depend on your strategy, market conditions, and other factors. Crypto volatility creates opportunities, but also involves risks. In the strategy section, 3 modes are available. Cross-DEX arbitrage allows you to buy a token on one decentralized exchange and sell it on another when there's a price difference. Swing trading, a strategy based on holding tokens and selling them when a price peak is reached. Grid trading places limit orders to buy and sell at fixed intervals to capitalize on market fluctuations. Personally, I most often use cross-DEX arbitrage. This mode shows the most stable results in my experience. Next step, select your risk level. Personally, I always choose balanced. It's the optimal balance between protection and activity. You can experiment, but if stability is your priority, I recommend the cross-DEX plus balanced combination. Now, deploy the smart contract. This is necessary to connect the bot to Ethereum and DEX exchanges. You'll need a small one-time gas fee, usually between 2 to 25 depending on network load. Confirm the transaction through MetaMask and wait for confirmation. Once the contract is deployed, fund it with ETH. The minimum is 0.3 ETH, but I use 1 ETH for demonstration. There is no upper limit. The bot scales with the amount of capital. However, keep in mind, the higher the amount, the higher the potential risk and possible profit. Now everything is ready to start. Enter the amount and click Initialize Trading Bot. Then confirm in MetaMask. The bot will immediately begin trading. An activity log will appear on the screen. You'll be able to see every trade, total profit loss, and execution statistics in real time. I checked the bot's performance 8 hours after launch and was pleased with the results. But it's important to understand the outcome depends on many variables, and I make no financial promises. To stop trading and withdraw funds, click Withdraw. The funds will return to your wallet, usually within a few minutes. A small fee is charged to maintain the infrastructure. In conclusion, this crypto bot is under ongoing development. I continue to update it and test new strategies. While it's still publicly available, feel free to explore it, study the code, and run it in test mode. All links are in the description. If you decide to test the bot, be sure to share your results in the comments. That's really important to me. See you in the next video.